Hello, everyone. It is indeed inspiring to see you back again. I welcome you all in this series of AI-GloLo event. If you have not yet registered, you can find the registration link in the description box and you can register now.
Hello friends. So let us see how can we use the AI and ML tools into Microsoft Office products and leverage its utility, and how can we integrate these AI tools and increase our productivity. So we would move forward towards our first AI tool, that is ChatGPT. However, you have heard about ChatGPT in the market. So it is an large language based model, and it is trained on the previously happened event, that is before 2021, and it is a text based recommendation system. Here you can give the multiple prompts and it would answer to your prompts. It is like an assistant, so it will give the text based output. All right. So how can we use this into the Excel sheet? We would see. So here you can see that I have created a scenario where I have multiple people names on the first column, and they have a sales of a product in a particular district. Now I have to calculate the average of each and every person. What is the performance of that particular person? So I if I want to solve this problem, I need to apply some formula of average and then calculate this particular column. So let us give a prompt to the chat GPT, and I have created a prompt. Let us calculate the average salesperson from B to F2. So here you can see that it has given me a manual code to calculate the particular columns. So I would just copy the formula and paste in the cell. So I'll just paste it and it has given me. And I would just copy the formula in each and every cell. So is it that simple? There is no need to write anything, but just by clicking, you are able to get what you want at your side. So let us move forward towards another case study. So always we struggle for sometimes that each and every data point is only in the one column. Sometimes it becomes very hectic to separate this particular scenario. So let us ask ChatGPT how it can help in this situation. So let us give a prompt to the ChatGPT to create an formula to extract the text separated by commas from cell A1 to B1, C1, D1, E1, and F1. Alright, so it would give us some formula which we would be using into our cells. So this is the formula given by the ChatGPT. So let us try this formula and segregate the text. Let us copy this formula and paste in the cell. We would just paste this by Control V, or can manually press. So it has given me the name, and we would just drag each and every till F. For every Pune, Satara, Nashik, Solapur, we would drag till F. So for every data points, it has given me separate column. And for each of the rows, I would just drag it till ninth column. So tada, The columns are now separated in a few minutes. So this is the power of AI, where the you can minimize the time by just writing few lines of codes or prompts towards the AI, and it will give you the answer. So let us move towards another case study now. So this is the case study where it has the names of a person, and we have calculate the average, and the persons above the 60% average have completed the target, and below 60% have not completed the target. And it is a small data, so we are able to calculate manually that this and this is not completed, so the total count is 2, and rest have completed, the count is 4. But what if the large data set occurs and we have to calculate each and everything? So for that purpose as well, we would like to ask ChatGPT what would be the answer. So let us ask ChatGPT about the answer by writing a prompt. So let us give the prompt to ChatGPT. That is, create an Excel formula to count the completed in the target column starting from I2. You can see here that we have the target in the ith column. So we have to calculate from the range till 6. So we would give that manually. Let us see first the code which it gives us. So here it has given count if I2 is to I, and the what we have to count, the completed one. So let us just copy the code which is got from the chat GPT and paste in the cell. So here we would paste, and it is giving an error. Why? Because the code is not properly written. So we have to calculate the whole cell but not a single cell. Calculate the rows, we would drag the box till the I7 and erase the I. So it would give us the 4. So we can see that from the target that completed are 4, and not completed, we would write here the person which are not completed. We would just paste this particular thing over here and drag the cell and erase the unwanted part. You can see here that all over here that completed are 4 and not completed are 2. So this was the chat GPT helping in the sheets, where we would now move forward towards another AI tool. Another AI tool, that is AI aided formula editor, which would be useful in creating the prompt, or we would be creating a prompt and it would be giving the formula for us like ChatGPT only, but it is integrated with the Excel sheet, which is the product of Microsoft Office. Here you can, to integrate it, you can go towards the insert option and insert गेट एड इंसर्ट पे क्लिक करने के बाद आपको सर्च करना है यहाँ पर AI-aided formula editor. AI-aided सर्च करने से भी आपको मिल जाएगा, and you have to click on add, agree the terms and condition and continue. So it would be visible towards the right side of your sheet. Here, you would be able to create the formulas as per your need. अगर यहाँ पर आप हिंदी में डालते हो मुझे C2 से G7 तक मैक्स नंबर दे दो and you have to click on submit. So here you would get the formula. इसमें किसी चीज़ का लिमिटेशन नहीं है कि आपको इंग्लिश में ही टाइप करना है, आप हिंदी में भी टाइप कर सकते हो और आपको ये फॉर्मूला कॉपी पेस्ट करना है या फिर एरो पे क्लिक करके आप उसे यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले करवा सकते हो. You would get the maximum of this particular sales. और अगर आपको मिनिमम चाहिए तो मिनिमम भी कर सकते हो. You just have to write properly and go to the submit and it would create us the minimum. I would just click on the cell and press on arrow button. It would give me minimum number as per my data. So it is able to solve from simplest problem to the complex problem as per your question. It gives and it creates the formula and gives to you. So I hope this AI aided formula editor finds you the perfect match for your work in the Excel. So let us move forward towards AI ML tool, how it can help in making presentations as well. So now we would be creating the script for our presentation. तो प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने के लिए हमें टॉपिक की ज़रूरत होगी. So we would be giving a prompt to ChatGPT that create me a presentation on topic machine learning of 10 slides. So it would be creating the script for my machine learning topics. That means it is giving the script and what it should contains, what slides should it contain, what content, it is giving everything. And let us copy the script of the machine learning which is given by our chat GPT and just move forward to the office tools. You have to type office.com जहां पर आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस के प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. You have multiple, you can see there are multiple options available, document, presentation, workbook, but we are interested in making presentations right now. So we would paste our script into the document file. So it would get loaded and we would paste the script over here. And we would clean now the titles. Slide 1, slide 2, it is not necessary for us to keep, but for the clutter free, I would delete everything. So let us just delete slides 3, slides over here, slides 4, slides 5, slide 6, over here, which is unwanted part, and I would now give the introduction to machine learning as a title. So as per my edits, I would write everything how my presentation should look. It is up to me how I want. And let us just give it to the presentation making. And here you can see that machine learning is a normal text. So for the headline, we have to give the headlines first, so it becomes proper presentation. Let us just drag the machine learning and give the heading 1, what is machine learning as heading 2, and types of machine learning as a heading again. To each and every title, I have cleaned my document, and I will now go to the file and export this document to the PowerPoint presentation. Here, it would fetch the themes according to my document. As per our need, we can select any of the theme which is more relevant to our topic. So here we can see multiple themes. If you are not satisfied, you can go to another see more themes option, and you would select. So let us click on this, and it would create the presentation in a minute, and it is ready. So I would like to open my presentation, and it would give as per my document. Whatever I have given in the document would be properly organized, and it has added the pictures as well. You can see that. So it is able to add the pictures according to my data as well. So it requires some time over here. So we can see here that it has added the photos, quite good photos it has added, and we would be able to see when it gets loaded properly. So it has given the what is machine learning, it has added the icons and types of machine learning, supervised learning, training, label data, unsupervised learning. It has added the pictures, quite good pictures, machine learning workflow, and common machine learning algorithms, applications. As per my data, it has added the slides, photo. So this was the AI ML tools integration or utilization of AI ML tools in the Microsoft tools. So thank you.
I hope you like this video. If you really feel that it would help somebody, you can surely share it with those people. At the same time, you can like and subscribe to our channel as well. You can register for this AI-GloLo event with the link in the description, or you can see the scanner right ahead in this particular video.